Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, this is a second part of the Yeka products. So I purchased two products from Yeka, and the first one was I have already discussed with you, which was the herbal hair oil, and the second product is Yeka Golden Glow Skin Oil. So before starting the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if haven't already done, and press the bell icon please. So let's get started with this video without wasting any time. So this is a skin glowing hair oil. So you have to apply it on your skin for glowing effects on your skin, because like we apply so much chemicals on our face, so somewhere and some like it's impacting the texture of our skin, quality of our skin, and also increasing the sensitivity of our skin. So this particular oil is a magical blend of rose petals and with organic cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil is being used from so long or ancient times for the glowing skin, and it is very impactful for your skin. It helps in brightening your skin, lightening scars and all other things. So this is one of the good thing that it contains organic and cold pressed virgin coconut oil. It also contains rose petals. Rose petals gives you that pinky look, pinky texture to your skin, pinky glow to your skin, which is very beneficial for your skin, for your face, be it your skin. So this kind of things are very good for you, and this is a 100% natural product. Other than that, if we talk about the ingredient, I have already discussed the ingredients with you. Major ingredients are coconut oil and the rose petals. And when you see the bottle, you can see this is how the bottle looks like. There are some, you can find some rose petals even inside. There are very few, but you can find definitely in this. So other than that, like it purifies and balances the oily and problematic skin. It brightens your skin and gives it a glowing complexion. And it is suitable for all skin types, so you don't need to worry that you have an oily skin, then how will you apply it on your skin. So it is meant for all skin types, not necessarily for one type of skin or for dry type of skin. And how you have to apply this is like you have to apply it on your skin before going to the bath. You have to apply it 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes before going to the bath. And it is like for dry to normal skin. Yeah, in your dry to normal skin you can leave it throughout the night, but for oily skin you can use it before going to the bath. So that is not a problem, because it is meant for all skin types, so there won't be any issue. But yeah, the time will be application time will be reduced definitely for this. Then other than that, it can be used as a after bath moisturizer as well, because it is a skin glowing product. So if you will apply it over all your body, then it will be very beneficial for your skin. It will give it that glow which you always wish to have. So also that it provides deep hydration and excellent moisturizing on your skin. I have used it, but I do not use it on my whole body. What I do is I have applied it, like I am using it from 1 week. So at first I was just applying it on my face before going to the sleep, but now from last few days, as I have some scratches like scratch marks on my hand because of my pet. You must have seen him on Instagram and on my some of my videos. If you haven't, please go and check out his profile as well. His Instagram handle is Goku509. So he is very naughty, and like he keeps on scratching things. So he keeps on scratching my hand as well sometimes. So I got some scratch marks on my hand. So this is also helpful for that even. So I have started applying it on my hands as well, and it moisturizes my skin so well. I have started applying it in the night on my hand, and it is very useful and very nice, I will say. That's why I am making this video. Also it helps in removing suntan, sunburn effects, and helps in removing wrinkles because it is oil, and I have already told you the benefits of coconut oil. Also it can be used as a like bath or massage oil, because of its aromatic fragrance. Then other than that, it works on pimples, dark circles, and coconut oil is very good for removing your marks, like pimple marks from your skin. and it can be used as a makeup remover even. So and it will also prevent the aging, like it helps in anti-aging kind of thing. And also, like, if you will apply it for longer period, then you will definitely get a bright and glowing skin. But the way of applying it varies from person to person. You can apply it all over your body, your hands, your feet, and like all over your body, but I do apply it on my hands and on my face only for now. Maybe later I will apply it, like when the winters will come, I may apply it on my whole body maybe. So it totally depends upon your choice what you want to do. So I will definitely say that you can try it at least once. I forgot to tell you about the price. So the price for this particular one is 350 rupees for a 100 ml bottle, and it lasts long for 3 years. 3 years is not a less time, I must say, and you will definitely gonna finish it within 6 to 7 months, I think. If one person will use, yeah, 6 to 7 months it will last long, because you don't need much quantity, which is the very good thing, that you don't need to put on so much. And because you can see that I have been using it from more than 1 week, I think 10 days it's been, and it is just like it is finished just this much, because it came till here, like it was full. So I really found it nice. I hope you will also like it and you will find it nice. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you will like this. Do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye bye.